What's up, guys? I just got word the first 2022 GasGas MC450F Troy Lee Designs Edition just showed up over at the dealership. Let's go over and check that thing out. Guys, I'm pumped to check this out. A GasGas 450 already loaded down with bling, acro exhaust, all the good stuff. Let's go see if Adam's got it inside. There she is. Put that sucker up. Oh, that is sick. Oh my god.
Dude, look at this thing.
Dude, those red clamps. That is awesome.
That is
That is so cool. All right, well, let's get a better look at it.
That's what I want. This is what I want.
I know.
Not with the KTM, and that looks good.
I know, that does look good. Yep. Oh! Absolute work of art, dude. Yeah, I do too. Wow.
It's like sick with a P3 skid plate.
All right, guys, safe to say this thing is sick. We're gonna let Adam give him some time, let him put this thing together, then we'll come back and do a walk around. All right, guys, while we wait for him to put this 2022 MC450 together, I wanted to ask you guys something. Is there anybody out there that loves the idea of motorcycling, motocross, but you just sometimes feel like you can't gather up the energy that it takes to go riding, prep, wash, unload? You love the idea of it, but sometimes you just end up staying on your couch instead. I've got some buddies that have this problem, and if that's the case with you, I may know somebody that can help. Now guys, if you're like me and you love doing all things outdoors, motorcycle riding, kayaking, hiking, I'm 35 and I have a 3-year-old with another baby on the way. I need to make sure I can be at my peak performance all the time. And I've noticed, guys, as I've gotten older, sometimes it takes me 3 cups of coffee to get going in the morning. And it may be normal with my age, but I can tell you what, I'm gonna find out. Over 30 million men in the US are suffering from low testosterone levels. The good news is today's video sponsor, Hone Health, can help you with that situation. Now, there's a lot of misconceptions about testosterone, about it just being a sex hormone, but that's not the case, guys. Testosterone affects tons of things in men, including mood, focus, muscle mass, energy. The process is super simple and hassle-free, guys. All you have to do is collect your sample, mail it back to the lab. Once the results are ready, you'll video chat with a real doctor who will recommend a personalized treatment plan based on your biomarkers and symptoms. You're not going to be going to the doctor's office, waiting 2 hours in the waiting room, then waiting 30 days for results, making trips back and forth. This is going to make it super simple and easy. Now, guys, I'm not a medical expert, and this is not medical advice, but for my own sake and for my kids, I want to at least check up and see what kind of shape my hormones are in. Hone Health, they are the experts, and I'm going to let them take care of it. Grab Hone's easy-to-use at-home assessment test today to learn your testosterone levels. For a limited time only, viewers get the at-home testing and doctor consultation for only $45, guys. Click the link in the description below to take advantage of that now. All right, guys, here it is. The 2022 GasGas MC450 Troy Lee Designs Edition. It looks absolutely amazing. Now, if you're wanting a GasGas that feels more like a KTM, then this bike's for you, and I'll tell you why. Normally the GasGases come with a little bit softer valving than the KTMs. It's the same suspension, it's just a slightly softer valve stack, and they also come with cast clamps. With this GasGas, you're not going to get the soft valving that comes with the regular models. You're going to get the same valving that's in the KTM and Husky models. And then you're also going to get, you know, the machine clamps instead of the cast. So this is going to be the most KTM feeling GasGas you can buy off the showroom floor. It's definitely the sweetest looking. Comes with tons of bling on it, just like the factory editions are known to do. So let's go over what exactly this bike has on it. It's got the TLD Red Bull GasGas factory racing graphics. As you guys know, that's the only way to get the Red Bull logo, legally at least. You get a set of number 51 Justin Barcia decals, as well as some other stickers in that set as well. You're going to get the TLD factory racing seat with the 3 Adidas stripes. Just looks sick, jumps out at you. Moving up to the bars, you're gonna get the softer ODI lock-on grips in light gray, some of my favorite grips. You're gonna get the factory racing triple clamps, anodized red. This is the first I've got to see the red ones. Inside, I thought it looked a little bit off color, like a peachy color, but outside in a little bit more of the sun out here, it looks good. I like it. You're gonna get the factory wheels, guys. People have been trying to buy these wheels for 18 months. They're very hard to find. They've been on back order. That's a DID Dirt Star rim. You're gonna get the black hubs. The spokes are almost like they're not black, but they're not silver either. And then you get like a black nipple. So for you guys that like black wheels, that's plenty of black for you. You're gonna get the Dunlop tires. This one's fitted with the MX33F. Moving around to the back, you get that same sick factory wheel, but with the black rear sprocket, a gold chain. Another thing to mention is this does come with a factory, does come with a hole shot device. We don't install them unless the customer wants them. So it's not on there, but it does come with it. You get the semi-floating front disc and the front brake disc guard on the front of this. This bike also comes with the composite skid plate. You get the red frame guards. Comes with the hour meter. You can see it up there. It's black. This also comes with black bars instead of the silver on the regular models, and it comes with a full-size bar pad instead of the mini size bar pad you see on the other models. You do get the map switch, so this will be the only GasGas that has the map switch stock like the KTMs and Huskies do. You're gonna get the Akrapovic slip-on line exhaust system, guys, which is sick, but you have to remember, you can't just buy an Akrapovic header to make a full Akrapovic. This slip-on will only work with the stock pipe. So if you want the full Akrapovic, you still have to buy the full system. A little bit of a bummer there. You get the Henson outer clutch cover. Looks sweet. I told you about the black neck and bar and the firmer suspension settings. I believe the same settings that are in the KTM Factory Edition and the Husky Rockstar Editions, which are normally a little firmer than what's in the regular edition. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it. Please, if you appreciate these videos, hit the red subscribe button and the blue join button. And as of now, we have several of these bikes available at AOMC in Charleston, West Virginia. Give AOMC a call, ask for John in sales, tell him you saw the MX Guru's video, and he'll get you set up. So be sure to subscribe and come back to the next video where I'm going to do a start and let you listen to this bike. Thanks, guys.